Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. N2MDX here in the shack. Today we're going to talk about a couple of different jog wheels and controllers, EFO, encoder knobs. As you know, I did that video on this little guy here. I'm sure you caught that video on the little on this knob wheel. This thing worked pretty damn good. And a lot of people are still using them, I guess. But today we got two more in the shack here. We're going to be playing with the Hercules controller, which many people have hooked up. The Hercules controller is a MIDI mapped controller. There we go. The Hercules is a little small DJ controller that we use for DJing. Okay. This would be deck A, deck B for when you're mixing music. But in this sense, when you're doing ham radio, they turn to VFO A and B. And some of the knob buttons you can see, I have them all mapped out. So let's get into this. We got that one that we're going to mess with today. And the Shuttlepro V2. Got a lot of stuff here. It's kind of like really thin, as you can see. There's like something off of an alien mothership. The aliens controlling their mothership. We're going to control the SDR THETIS with this. This is not MIDI mapped. This has its own software, so you really can't map certain buttons on THETIS like you could do on a MIDI mapped control like the Hercules, but you could still do some fun things with this. You know, you could take this portable, like my friend Richie ZOR was saying, and you know, connect it to the Raspberry Pi on the go. So we'll get into that, to these two things here. So first, let's talk about the Shuttlepro V3. Okay, that's this software here. Excuse me, I'm a little under the weather. Just getting over a cold. Okay. All right, so as you can see, 10 meters is wide open here for contesting. The skin you see in the background is one of the mic pack skins that I just put out. Hopefully you guys are downloading. They're pretty damn cool. So let's get into the Shuttlepro V2 software. It's pretty basic. What you want to do first, you see here on the left, that's how it's going to come after you install it. What you want to do is go to options, and on OBS nothing opens up, unfortunately. It's just the way it is. But when you go to options, it's going to say create new settings. All right, that's the first one. You're going to go to where it says copy current settings. When you do that, copy current settings, it's going to open up, and you're going to locate your THETIS folder. Okay. Let me see if I can capture this. Hold on a second. All right. So, options. Let me just close this out for a second. Options. Create new settings. Copy contents. There's three things. Create empty settings. Copy. You'll see them when they open up. You want to go to copy contents from current settings. And then And that'll open up. So then you want to go to your THETIS folder. In my case, right here. Right, go to release and then click on this. Okay, after you do that, you're gonna hit the drop down menu here on the global settings and then scroll down and you're gonna see THETIS. Just like that. Okay. After that's done, hit options, hit export settings. Or better yet, I'm going to include the file that you could just drop in. And you could start with that and you can add and take away whatever buttons you want to do. I'll make it even easier. Instead of going through all this craziness. I'll include the file. Where you're going to put that file, which is most important though. Okay, after you, if you would export your settings, it would save a file. I think they're called PREF files. That's how Shuttlepro depicts the file. You know, that's what they name it. So what you could do is when I give you that file and include it, just hit options, import setting, and I'll give you that file, and you put it right in there. Okay, once that's done, it'll say THETIS here on this side, and on the Shuttlepro itself, right? Let me see something. So just like the other knob that I showed you guys, you have to be, your mouse has to be in the waterfall here. You see the frequency moving? And it's going this way. So I did a basic left and right on the mouse wheel, and then I did the jog wheel, which is very little, small increments this way, small increments this way. But if you hold it, it'll do like the Yasu, where it'll fly. Boom. And you can do the same thing this way. It'll fly up, see it? You can do one of those. So this is really cool. And then on the two on the sides, I made that volume control up and volume control down and up for the volume for the. So you hear it get louder? Get lower? Okay. And you can do other like mousy features with this, but again, you can't mini map it like you can with the Hercules. And I'll give you the settings for the Shuttlepro. So you'll have that, and you'll just like, you know, download the software. I'll put the link in the video for this Shuttlepro software. If you buy it, if you can find them still, I'm sure you can. I think they're on Amazon, whatever. This is kind of like what the box looks like. Sorry, I'm on a stupid camera that has the broadcast thing on. Oh, there it goes. So, but I'll include a link so where you can buy this thing and the Shuttlepro and all the software and all that good stuff. Yeah, my chroma key knocks that for the camera. All right, so that's that one. Next one I have up here is the Hercules controller. I don't know if you guys can still get the Hercules. This one's hard to get. If you can find them used on eBay, go for it. I did some cool designs to the wheels and stuff. I just printed out some stuff and, you know, got a little fancy schmancy with it. But with this one here, again, I still have to point to the waterfall. That's my VFO A1. That's VFO A1. If I turn this one, you can see my other VFO moving. I got my sliders working for volume control. I got certain buttons now mapped out for NR1, NR2, noise blanket 1, noise blanket 2. Again, if you want those features from THETIS on a controller, you have to get a MIDI controller, DJ controller. That's the only way it's going to work. It's not going to work with any of these jog wheel devices. That's not going to work. I tried it, so that's pretty much it. So yeah. But it's kind of cool. I mean, like I said, the jog wheel thingy was brought to my attention from my buddy Richie. N2Z. I'm sorry, K2ZR. KC2ZR. And he was talking about this wheel, and I said, you know what? I have one of these. I remember having one. I was like, and I have boxes and boxes and boxes of gear, man. It's just like, you know, over the years you accumulate this crap. And it was like, I remember setting this up. Excuse me. I don't know if I set it up on the Anon, my Anon 100, or I was trying to set up on the Flex. I don't remember, but oh, the Flex 5000. That's what I was messing with this. So yeah. And I've had it in the box, and I was like, you know what? I have one of those. So I brought it out, and last night we were messing with it on the air, and I got some of the features to work on, and I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, it's once you get the jog wheel set up, it's pretty nice. It just goes up and down really good. You know, get the volume control. I'll roll it. What am I turning up? It's not loud. Oh, okay, there we go. So, volume low, loud, low, loud, jog wheel. So yeah, pretty cool. The little Shuttlepro is working pretty nice. Again, you can pick those up. Let's see here. Let's try to do something. You can buy them right now. B&H Photo, 99 bucks. Used on eBay, 30 bucks. Amazon. There you go. 100 bucks. And I did see them used on eBay for 30. So that's the cheapest right there. So if you'd like to pick one up. Again, I'll leave the link for the drivers. They have Mac and they have Mac and whatchamacallit, PC for this, for the Shuttlepro. And on the Hercules, I believe both as well. I'm not gonna put no links for the Hercules because again, not that many people can get them. Maybe you can find one on eBay, or you can find another Hercules controller, one of the newer ones, because they got a bunch of them out there now. I haven't tried them yet, but this is an older one. But if you need any links or software for that, just drop me an email, and I'll send you it over in the zip file. So I appreciate you guys watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let's go THETIS. Let's go Hermes. Loving it. 7-3, guys. All the best.